A new ray of yellow light shines through his political adversaries. Heeding the call of Filipino people, Senator Nonoy Aquino decides to join the race for the most powerful seat in the Philippine government. Here's the report.
Bayang Pilipinas, tatakbo po ako sa pagkapangulo sa darating na halalan. Tutuloy po natin ang laban, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, naway pagpalain tayo ng poong may kapal. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
After days of soul searching, Senator Benigno Nonoy Aquino Jr. finally declared yesterday that he will run for president in 2010 national election. Live from Vlog Filipino, San Juan, here's Senator Nonoy. Senator, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Maricon.
Senator, the whole Philippines was awakened by your declaration of running for the presidency seat this coming 2010 national election. What had prompted you to face this big challenge?
Honestly, never had it occurred to me to seriously take this challenge. But when I witnessed the outpouring of grief and support during my mother's death, I have been persuaded to run. I have seen the ardent call of the people. I want to lead the responsibility to continue the nation's life. I want to build on the democracy that my mother had established when she was swept to office by the 1986 People Power Revolution.
Senator, before you announced your decision, did you have any reluctances or hesitations in continuing the race?
I honestly did. It is a very tough job to do, not knowing what lies ahead. At first, when a friend approached me to run for president, I can't help but laugh at the mention of the thought. It really did not occur to me to run for president. I am not even sure if I could live up to the people's expectations. But just like what I have said, it's the people's call and my mother's legacy that has pushed me to continue the race.
Okay, so Senator, what is your family's reaction regarding all this? And what can you say to them?
I thank them for being always there to support and help me in whatever undertakings I have, and for their unfailing assistance when I need them most. I thank them for helping me overcome my fears throughout the test of time.
As the last question, Senator, what is your message to the Filipinos who had been there supporting you throughout?
To all Filipinos, I thank you so much for unwavering support. We will lead the fight together. We will continuously fight for our freedom. I hope you will help me achieve this goal.
Okay, thank you so much, Senator, for your time and good luck.
Thank you, Maricon.